Apparently, Trickster got a nerf. So we'll have to see how it is still. Hopefully it's good. Seemed really fun so far, though.
Don't stop looking for those artifacts for me. Without memories of the past, the future means so little. If you come across anything else from old Earth, there's a home for it here.
Sounds good. We found a scale model.
The Apollo 11. I remember watching old footage of that man walking the moon. They'd play it on repeat in the recruitment center when I was being evaluated for the Flores. Supposed to inspire us or
flickering
something.
so much all of a sudden.
Can't deny that victory, though, landing on a rock in space the first time. No one can deny the victory of sailing through deep space to this rock, either. But I'm afraid if you live long enough, every victory turns out a defeat.
Ooh, we get to pick something. Let's see. Mask. What do you compare? Oh, here you go. Sweet. Yeah, so we definitely want the head for now. It looks a lot better. Don't have very good gear on this guy yet.
Ain't nothing free.
I heard the same.
Alright, speak with Yaka to leave for Eagle's Peak. Get some ammo. Just gonna double check. Let's see. We do have a couple other quests we can do too. Alright. So I believe we want to go up here. Oh, we got two quests to do up here actually.
Altered. You're too late.
Too late for what?
What happened here?
What does it fucking look like? We got mutilated. We had the bastards cornered, but they had a captain.
Okay.
Where is he?
Inside the bunker up the hill. I wish I could look him in the eyes when you make him pay for what he did.
Sure.
I think I'll pay him a little visit. For old time's sake.
Jack,
Altered! Give that captain what's coming to him.
let's do it. Okay, run they down.
Time I settle up with this captain. Hope he hasn't forgotten me.
Cat's looking at me. Alright, let's see if I remember how to play this guy. Remember, you want to be close. Yeah. The sound's a little too loud. Jack, don't walk on the keyboard.
Don't let him through! I remember that voice.
I still had him good. There we go. Sorry, my cat's sitting by me here. Making it tricky. There we go. So far, so good. There, my cat finally laid down now. Hopefully it'll be hopefully he's content now.
Thought I'd have a harder time getting back through. Captain should be holed up somewhere in here.
Let's go. Gonna be a boss here, I bet. Here's a cutscene.
You think you can fight me? Give me all you got.
Ow. Ow. Trying to keep him stunned. There we go. Ouch. I don't know if I can stun that or not, but I'm gonna try it. Oh, bomb's coming. I just gotta not die. Yes. There we go.
Wait. Stop.
Cat's laying near my keyboard.
You're
I
an
keep
altered.
hoping he doesn't press
You know
anything.
what the fuck you want? Why the fuck are you fighting for those fascist assholes?
As I wanna.
We're the ones fighting for our lives. Do you even know what they did to us?
I know what you did to me.
Stomp.
Outriders always pay what's owed. That soldier will want to see his head for herself.
Sure. Just go and plop the head next to her. So we can just go back there. Oh yeah, and then there was another quest to do right in that same spot there too, so that should work well. Oh, some iron over
Shira,
here.
I'm looking at the epicenter of the explosion.
Oh, there's
This is
another
where
quest
the
over there
collapse
to
started.
do too. We got tons of
Doubt we can't
quests.
survive this.
I don't need your doubts. I need him alive.
So, yep, she was up here. There we go. Captain's dead. There's his head.
He paid.
Not enough.
You gonna be okay? You need a medic or something?
My
You
outfit
nuts?
doesn't match
A
very well.
ground hero kill me faster than the shrapnel will. Don't worry about me.
I wonder if they'll eventually add the ability to, what do you want to call it, like transmog your
Hey.
your equipment and stuff. So you can find a cool one that you like and then keep that look. That'd be awesome. I don't know if they will, but let's see. So that one's a little better. Ooh, creates a shockwave when you reload. And that's a... Yeah. And it's a shotgun, so you reload quite a bit, so... Would be good. I don't use snipers. I do like assault rifles, though, too. I think I'll do the shotgun, though.
Yeah, a real good thing. Maybe my dead friends can rest a little easier now.
It's a historian quest, so I believe that's the ones where we get the artifacts for the lady. And then she gives us a reward and stuff, so. Worth doing. Probably, maybe. Sweet. All right. Oh no, I couldn't use it. Thought it was cool down. A slice. Time freeze helps so much though. Do that. Sweet. Alright, who we got left? There we go. That is all of them. I know I saw that they said they nerfed this class, but I feel like it's still really strong. I don't know what they changed exactly, but maybe it's more endgame that they nerfed, I guess. Not as much right now, so. Because I'm still pretty low level on this guy, so. I was playing my other character a little bit too. Not a ton farther than this, but just a little bit farther. I'm doing the tanky class on that one, but there we go. Shotgun's pretty nice for close range. So is that. As long as I keep killing, my health keeps regenerating. So. As well as my shield, obviously. Got those two. Who else are we missing up there? There we go. That's fun. I like that teleport. That's pretty nice. I don't know if I'll keep it. Oh, here we go. Holographic disc. I don't know if I'll keep that teleport forever, but I think it works. Or it seems pretty good though. Like it's worth it because it always teleports you right behind them. So seems like it's worth keeping, I think. I always need more iron. Ooh, 203 iron, nice. I was just gonna come over here quick and make sure I didn't miss any loot. I don't think I see any glowy stuff though, so I think we're good. Okay, done with that quest. Let's go back here again. There's that one other quest we had over there too. Hope everybody's doing well tonight. I just got off work, so I figured I would stream a little bit. It sounded fun. Get more iron. Alright, and the other one was right over here. There we go. You can't jump in this game, funny enough. I still don't really understand why they didn't add that, so you could just like jump over there and then it could just load the area, but I guess they want you to have to click on it to, you know, say that you for sure want to go that way or something. I don't know. Just checking, sweet. It looks like my frames are good today, so no frame drops or anything like that, so that's good. Good. Oh, I didn't stop time already. There we go. There we go. Sweet. Does that mean they're all done? Yeah. Just wanted to make sure before I started grabbing some iron. Getting shot then. Let's see, was there any other goodies around? Clear debris. There we go. Where are we going anyways? Yeah. Sometimes I accidentally click the direction button twice and then it teleports you, I think. Makes it tricky. Okay, I'm back. Slice, fun. There we go. There we go. Give me that health back. Sometimes I have to reload at a bad time. It's dangerous. I am going to go over... Did not make it, no! I was gonna try to teleport over to that sniper guy. No, dead. There we go. What? Oh, a sniper got me, dang it. Alright, I need to take out those snipers first. They do a lot of damage. I don't know why that one guy didn't die there. Oh crap, go away. Run away. I'm gonna get that sniper. There we go. Alright. I'm safe for a second. Not really though. Okay, ooh. Dangerous. There's that captain in there. He is dangerous. Oh god, run away. No, I think it's that captain now that keeps killing me. Shit. The damn it. It's still hard. Okay. I guess I'm gonna have to be a little... Jesus, they kill me instantly. This guy, or this part is hard right now with this guy for some reason. That didn't work out well. Okay, I gotta keep going. Get my health back. There we go. Okay. Oh, that's the captain. I'm gonna save him to last. Otherwise it gets too tricky. Okay. Alright, just the captain left, I believe. Oh yeah. Well, we're doing a lot better this time. Just gotta kill this dude. Oh, there's another guy over here. Got him. There we go, that was better. Dropped a bunch of stuff. Climbing up.
Why did it just get so quiet?
Quiet. Too quiet. Oh. That's a big dude.
Hey,
Just
Shira,
staring
what
at
am
it
I
like,
looking at? Some kind of walking giant out here.
Keep your voice down, Outrider. You don't want it to notice you, believe me. It can wipe out hundreds in a second. Even the altered respect them.
Looks pretty dangerous.
Coast is clear. Keep digging. We're almost out.
Who's that?
Hold on, I got you.
Wait! Wait! Don't shoot. We're all in this together right now.
Okay.
I got you.
Lieutenant McCain, you all right?
Oh,
I'm
it's that
alive.
guy. Okay, we were trying to rescue him, yeah.
soldier.
It's okay. Now, let's get the rest of my men out.
Oh. Apparently that's not part of the plan. It's kind of a dick move, but whatever, I guess.
Fuck, seriously? War is war. What, you think we just hug it?
Well,
Why do I even bother?
guess that's instant karma for you there, huh? Dorian quest, which is right here.
Without memories of the past, the future means so little. If you come across anything else from old Earth, there's a home for it here.
Holographic disc.
I remember these. Used to be we thought we was keeping these forever. Generations to come.
Is that like
would look at one
just
of
a
these,
CD, or is
see
that something
our
else?
movies, our stories, how we lived and loved.
It's holographic, it's
Now,
called, though.
it all may as well never have existed.
Let's see. Ants are quite a bit better. I think we'll go with those. What's that ability? Temporal Blade. Oh, we can use that twice now. Okay, that's pretty sweet. And then we have to go up here.
Hey, I'm starving.
Talk to Shira.
I find some semblance.
And it looks like the frame rate's so much better today. I tried,
I'm pretty busy right now.
yeah, I changed some settings and stuff on my streaming setup, so seems like it's running
Your
good though.
lieutenant's dead.
Tell me he died like a hero.
I'm also just streaming,
Sure.
not recording at the
That's what you
same
wanna
time
hear?
too. I was doing both
He was a
previously,
real fucking hero.
and it seemed like that it
Whatever
out
he
quite a
did,
bit. So
but
instead,
this
I'm
is
just
wrong, Outrider.
streaming, and
All must
then
be
I
forgiven.
can actually download the stream from Twitch later too. So
I use
so
some
that
shit
works.
it's even worth
I think that will work better instead of doing it all at once, because it seems like it's too much strain on the system. So let's see, 199, 221. Let's do this one.
God help you all when I'm